Hello everybody, howdy, what's up? Welcome to our channel One Step where we post tutorial video. And today's tutorial video is on how you guys can log in into our Heartland Payroll account. So you can watch the video until the end because it's a really short video and I'm going to be getting straight to the point without talking more, alright? But just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One Step because it's going to help our channel grow and it's going to help this video reach more people. And if this video reaches more people, you're going to be helping more people out as well. So one of your like is going to be helping one other person. So make sure to do that. Now let's move forward. But before that, as I said, hit the like and subscribe. Let's move on. First step, search for Heartland Payroll login. Once you search for it, you can see the first option, heartlandcheckview.com. Click on it and it's going to take you to the official website of Heartland over here. Once you're over here, you just need to enter your email address, which is linked with your Heartland account. So this is my email address, which I used when I created my Heartland account. So I'm entering it over here. And where it says password, you just need to enter the password of your account. Once you enter the password of your account, just click on login. And if the email address you entered over here is correct and the password you entered over here is correct, then you should be able to log in into a Heartland Payroll account. And if you for some reason forgot your password, you can always click on forgot your password to recover your password as well. But in order to recover your password, you need to have access to the email which is linked with your account, because you need to enter your email over here and click on send verification code, and the verification code is going to be sent to the email which you enter over here. So you got to have access to the email because without the code, you cannot, reset your password. So yeah, that's how you guys can reset your password as well. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys on my future video. Bye-bye.